1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, I'm back. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. Wait, let's go check my camera code really fast. So I think there's some code I can improve. Or I don't know if I already did it. Okay, so first thing, I found some new better code for camera, but I forgot if I applied it already. Outline, timeline. Scroll API. So I don't think I did. So let's go check the code here and see how I did it. Something like that. Okay, let's copy those. Oh, also now I call this interpolate. Interpolate. Okay. I'll bring these in. No, that's a funny function. Ba-dum bum bum. Bum bum. So here. Bum bum. Target. Okay, so let's get rid of that other function. So yeah, I found a better way of doing camera zooming. Why are you unhappy? Oh, the whole class is static. Okay, I see. Public static. Bum bum ba-da-dum. Okay, that's all you do. Bum bum. Here I have a bunch of functions. Or a bunch of stuff. Let's take that, I guess. Take everything. Bum bum bum. Target zoom. Okay. Target zoom is gone. Oops. Dum dum. Bum bum bum. Target rotation already there. You go up here. Bum bum. Was there really no speed? So I used magic numbers before? I guess I did. Pi over 4. And in the update. Yeah, I did, huh? Hey, Alepoken. Sorry, I saw that you were streaming. Hey, welcome. So I'm not sure what I'm doing, but whatever. There's so many things I want to do. Yeah, yeah. Oh, the buttons. Oops. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. This music is really quiet. Okay, so next thing, let's look at target exp. So this goes in update. Sure, let's copy this whole thing. Apparently I'm using the same stuff. That's good. Okay. Max exp. That goes here. Oh, that's funny. I guess that's a good point. I could just use that. Bam. Okay. So I guess I already upgraded my code. Whoops. Wait, what did I do? Huh. Da-dum, da-da-dum. Okay, let's try this. Dum, da-da-dum. Maybe that's not far enough. Dum. Or maybe it is. Okay, max distance. Min. What is the min? I forgot. Clamp. Min. So min would be, let's say 5. It's exponential, so I should be going really far away. Ooh. It's so good though. Oh. Yeah, I can go far, really far, really fast. Maybe a bit overkill though. Four. Ta-dum. Four looks like a more reasonable number. And how close do I get? Oh, I can go really close. So that's obviously way too close. Maybe -2. Da-da-dum-da-dum. Maybe still too close. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-dum. Maybe that's okay though. Very smooth. Okay, I should have just written improved maybe. Alright. So I did a bit of work behind the scene. So I have now the concept of object types. So for example, I have lily pads. I can also have wood. Oops. And also clouds. And they all have a sorting order. So the clouds are on top, wood on top of right under, and then lily pads are at the bottom. I can transform wood, or rather I can transform this lily pad into a cloud. Bam. And the sorting order is automatically fixed. If I go back to the lily pad, it goes back under. I can also now lock my selections. So right now I can select all three and move all three. I can decide that using a hotkey to disable clouds. Now I can only select 2 of them. And I can disable wood, disable the lily pads, enable clouds and wood. So yeah. I'll need an interface for that, but yeah. So the thing I think I want to do today is to... there's like 2 things I want to do. One thing that's useful and one thing that's useless. I want to start doing custom logic, custom update logic, depending on the type. For example, right now all 3 types have this sort of gray area, but I would like to limit that to only the wood type. Bum ba da dum dum dum. Dum dum. Bum bum da da dum da dum da da dum. Dum da dum. Okay. So my current way of doing object types is kind of dirty. World layer. Hey, Crab. Working, nice. Same-ish. Dum dum. Dum dum. Yeah, it's pretty bad, but whatever. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. So I want to start thinking about what was this thing? World layer type, non-lily pad, wood, flag top. Okay. Yeah, I mean that's okay. So now I want to start adding them to the right. I want to change at the top, at this game root. I want to change this draw. I guess draw here. I want to change this draw. Wait, what? Oh no, that's draw background. World draw. This here, instead of querying from everything, I want to start doing a separate for each for those right here. And then I can eventually do special rendering pipeline for each object type. Bum, bum, bum. So some layers might have effects applied to them. Bum, bum, ba, da, da, dum. Oops, I forgot music. Ba, da, da, dum. Bum. Ba, da, 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 dum. Oh, yeah, okay. The second thing that I want to do that is sort of useless is to do anti-aliasing on the background grid. Infinite. No, never mind, not infinite. I guess it's part of the editor. Editor background is grid. I'd really like to do anti-aliasing. Because the grid, when we look at it, sometimes looks really bad. You see how some lines become like thicker. They also like stutter as I'm zooming in ever so slightly. If I change the grid size to 10, yeah, you see how there's flickers. That would get solved by anti-aliasing. It's really cool though. Wow. Alright. But I think I'll wait. The other thing is way more important. It's my last main blocker on this whole map editor. Alright. So how do I do custom logic? I guess I have to look for path. Where do I do path editor in here? Okay, so when I do an add, bam, a remove, bam, an update. So this is where I have to insert new logic. Okay. Freaking crows. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Wait, how does this work? I draw this first? Oh, the other thing is selections, I see. Right. Bum, bum, da, dum, dum, dum. Da, dum. Bum, ba, dum, 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 dum. Da, dum, dum. So on this entity, I'm able to check Do I do the dumb way first? I guess I should. Really? Wait. So there are 1, 2. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, toc toc, toc. Comment ça va? Hey, check that. J'ai commencé à coder une bibliothèque là, de dessin de forme. Ça crée des genres de formes, on peut dire quasiment SVG. Ça c'est previewed. Bam bam bam. Line size is let's do times. No, but I can do times camera dot world to screen. Bam. Let's do that for all of them. This one would require parentheses. Whoops. World to screen. So I'm putting the world into the screen, and then the lines are in screen size. So that's why that will work. Dot world to screen scale. Now the lines will be in screen scale, or in world scale rather. Have to go. Hey, here, check. You see that? Now the lines become bigger as I zoom in. Woo. Oh, I didn't think about that. Huh, now that's interesting. Cause the way that I draw my shapes, I draw my shape at halfway between the line. So if I make the line transparent, I can see my color behind. Huh. Maybe that's desirable, who knows. It's the same for, okay, well those ones don't have. Let's make everything transparent. 0.7f whatever. Yeah, I didn't think about that at all when I wrote that code. Yeah, the shape is halfway. How do we fix that? Is there even a way? I mean, it doesn't look bad in this case. It's kind of cool even. I'll have to put a mental note. Where did I write the code for that? Plus line size. Huh. $40. Whoa, your games are long. You should be back here in 25 at most. Is that really the fix? Bum. I guess it is. And does it still work though? I guess it works. Bum, da da dum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Ba da dum. Yeah, it's not perfect. There's still a pixel, right? Yeah, that's like an extra. Huh. What if I do plus PS? That's kind of weird, but no. I guess it's not enough. Or maybe PS is wrong. Let's do this. Bum bum ba da dum. Still no? It's not like it looks bad, I guess. Dum da da dum. Let's try something else. Even though this appears to almost work. Or maybe it does work. I think this is expected result. I think that's intended. Because I want to do a bit of blending at least. But what about up here? This looks possibly weird. How does it end up being brighter? This is brighter. Not a... Huh. So it's not really... Maybe it's working as intended. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. Who knows? But okay, let's just fool around one last thing. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum. Let's do that times 0 times 3 times 5. I want to see the line and then a hole and then the shape. Ooh. Now we're getting fancy. Oh, that's so cool. I guess that could be something I do in my API. I could expose like this distance. If you want to do a border that is separated. I'll have to think about that. Okay, at least now I'm aware of whatever. So let's undo this. I think I had the right math to fix it, but I want to do it better. Really know if there's any issues. All right. So no matter what, we're going through this. Very awesome. So I can do some special case logic. Do I do it here? I guess I do because I'm a bit lazy. I could do it as a switch, but whatever. So dot layer type. So if we have lily pads. Maybe I do want a switch. Layer type wood. I wonder if it would be better not to check the last one. Alright. Oh, first thing that I gotta do before I forget. You're not getting AABB3 anymore. You're getting world. Oh, I'm passing in the world like that. Wasn't world a static thing? Oh, I guess not. Oops. World dot wood. Oh, I was putting the code here. Okay. So things at that point were already updated. Okay. So now I do update e.leaf3 e.rect. That's it. Sure. Same thing. Oh man, they keep trying to suggest the wrong thing to autocomplete. Okay, now that I have this, I copy it. This is remove. Yeah, okay. And then we, oops. e.leaf3 equals that. And this only takes the ID. strong. Delete pad, remove E. Oh, it's leave. Dum dum. Hey, lucky. Oh, that could have been so bad if this was not a U int. This takes what? Int. So I got a type mismatch, I think. Wait, let's see. Yeah, that's so funny. Lucky. Ba-dum. Bum. Ba-dum. Not the cleanest code, but let's add to path. Bum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum, da-dum, dum. Add rect E. Dum, da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, dum. Oops, those are add. Bum, bum. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. So I'm done. That's it. I mean, not the most maintainable code, but wait, it works. Oh. Ah, that sucks. I got an infinite loop, right? Right, okay. I couldn't have been that easy. True. Wait, why does this give me an infinite loop if I give you an invalid leaf? Bum, bum. But anyway, I guess that means I have to, when I change the type, I have to do a bit of extra stuff. Update entity storage, what was that? When I go in here and I change the type, I might also change the layer. Oh yeah, this is spaghetti. Okay. But I don't care. How do we do this? I guess I have to save it. Var. If it means now we have a type change. So in that case, I have to remove. Okay, I'll write the code in the dirty way, and then I'm sure I'll figure out a time to clean that up. That's the one I wanted to copy. Remove. Well, maybe I don't want to remove like that. Yeah, I do. Okay, so step 1, remove everything. And then step 2, oh wait, I have to not use this, I have to use old layer. Oops, what did I do? Old layer. Remove that. And then do this. Add, bam bam. And then do whatever, but then I don't need that anymore, do I? I still do. Some use less work, but whatever. I'll put a bunch of to do, oops. To do. Bum, bum. Do the same thing. So that should fix my bug. So you're a lily pad. You're a wood. Ooh, it works. Now that's some good stuff. And those get the sort of rectangle stuff. This one doesn't. Oops. Clouds don't. Whoa, that's so fancy right there. Kind of sucks that those are drawn on top, but I don't think I can do anything better right now. And if you're here and I add you, instantly works. Oh, broken. Why? Oh, I know why. This uses e.inset. I have to use old inset. Three. You're gonna be 4. And that seems to work. Yay. Okay. So I guess that's good enough. This here should still work because I didn't change that. Pretty nice. So is my playlist? No, it is shuffled. Okay, next part will be change the rendering here. So now we have 3 of those, 1, 2, 3. And instead of going through this, we'll have lily pads, bam, woods, clouds. And this should still look the same. But now I could technically do special rendering pipeline for each one. Everything looks the same. Nice. This is fun to play with. All right. Okay, I think I'll commit that. It's not great, but it's good enough. How do you write that? I forgot. Rip. It's a T, right? It's a C. Ah. Yeah. Why is there a space there? Bum, 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 bum. Good enough. Alright, now I'll do the finally fun thing. Grid effects. Can I modify the shader so that I end up with an SDF and I can alias that? So this would be just the box SDF, right? That I bum, bum. If I look at this, I think to do my grid I use this box along with this to get like the line, so then I can do line width or whatever. And then I spread the pattern and I repeat the pattern. I'm guessing using mod. I might just mod almost the same as this maybe, so that we stay in the same domain. Bum, bum, ba-dum. Dum, da, 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 dum. Should I code that here, or should I just go and code that in my shape shader? Just at least for playing around. Or I duplicate that, call it grid 2. Or I just don't care and code it right here. Right, okay, let's just do that. Things that I care about in here would be to get my PS. I think that's all I care about. Line size, grid size, view projection, text transform. I have most of them math correct already. Let's just call that PS. I don't know what it stands for. Pixel? I guess it is. So that would require this box. Box exact. Can't really copy that like that because this is not the same language. Let's put it here. Float. How did I call mine? Box SDF, sure. I guess I just copied that rather. Okay, let's just get rid of all of this. This freaking code. Anyways. Wait, did I get autocomplete here? Oh, that's odd. Dum, 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 dum. Bum, 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 bum. I do 0 0.5, 0 0.5 for now. Right. That's okay. Bum, bum, dum, ba, da, 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 dum. Okay, ignore all of that for now. We'll do this. We'll do return is d smaller than 0. Ah, come on. 0, 0, 0, 0. I'll do that. What does this look like? Nothing. Wait, no, there is something. It's just small. Why is it this small? Let's just track what I'm doing. Entity draw grid. I didn't call it draw grid. Huh. I don't. Oh, I'm in the wrong place, right? Okay. So I give you this, perfect. Grid size. Also, what do I do with X plus that? Let's do that. Oh, also, yeah, that's true. I do my text chord up here. Okay. So I think this means 1 pixel. So if I give you 10, it means 10 pixels. I think it does. No, it means double. So that's 20. So if I give you 5, I would get 10. Bum, bum. Okay. So we're starting to get something that means something. Why does it not close? Where are we? Game run. I closed. Oh, I didn't close the game. It's because the icon is like this, and I don't recognize that. Rip. Okay. Instead of doing that, let's return for the one. Oh, very nice. Let's go with something bigger, like 100 pixels. Dum dum. I can't tell if it's working or if it's not working. Oh, I'm getting confused because when I press escape, it doesn't quit the game. Because I disabled that. What? Wait, no, never mind. Da-da-da. So I guess it's all working correctly. Oops. Anyway, whatever. I want to see a really nice gradient. Down. Down. Like it's only a little bit fuzzy. Why? Can I do like times that? That seems to have done something. Ta-dam, ta-dam. This is why I said it was gonna be the funner part of the... Ooh. Now we're talking. That's awesome. Anyway, that's not what I wanted to do anyways. Bum, bum, dum, da, da, dum, 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 dum. So let's start by passing in PS. Close everything I don't care about. Leader, triggers, camera, whatever. You. So you're gonna get assets.grid.parameter. Let's just copy this. Bum, bum, dum, da, dum. How is it called? World. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. It's just that. So what was that? Screen to world. Bum, ba-dum. I guess it's already here. Screen to world. A lot of variables are gonna disappear soon. Freaking crows. Their screams are quite ugly right now. Sometimes they have great screams. I need more coffee. Da-dum-dum. I have some coffee, but I have to go get it. What am I looking at? I'm looking at a bunch of stuff. Okay, you know what? It's more interesting to work with circles, so let's do circles. Because a box, it's just a box. It's boring. Oops. But circles, on the other hand, are pretty much the perfect shapes. It's really obvious if you mess up. Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-dum. Hey. Ba-da-dum. Hmm. Since I'm working in pixel size, never mind. Okay, I have to. Oh man, I have to use my brain. Okay. Dum dum da 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 dum. Bum ba da da dum. Oh, that's cool. I should use that for a mechanic in a game at some point. That's so funny. Adam. Ba da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. Dum. All right. Okay. I was doing a bunch of stuff with this text cord, whatever. This we end up in world scale. Okay, let's step one. Let's see if I can figure out how to. Is there like a? Is there like a tutorial on this, like a for repeating shapes? I think I know what to do, but if there's something here, I might just defer to that. Fine. Mod takes XM. Okay, let's do float x equal p dot text chord dot x, y equals p p.text core.y. I'll give you a float 2 of, how did I call it? Just mod of x, and I'll give you, let's say 200 mod of y 200, something like that. Let's see what happens now. Ooh, not bad. Now we're doing some fun stuff. So freaking cool. Okay. Should I remap or should I not care? Okay, let's start by doing this thing. Float of onion. Sure, onion. Oh. You're gonna take this. Float of d, where I give you d minus r. Okay. I'll do d equals onion of d, 10 pixels. Nice. But this is all backwards, I think. Anyways, for now it's okay. So now I get my repeated. I pretty much get my grid already, or really close to it. Let's try with my box now. I should have saved the other line. Oh well. Ooh. So it's rounded, which I don't think is what I want. But it makes sense. What if I do this? Okay. So I guess I really do need to remap it. Okay, let's do some size equals, let's say 50. Let's do half size equals 25. Can I do x plus half size? Same with, oops, did I mess up? There we go. Half size. Da-dum, da-dum. Can't tell if I did anything. Also, let's not do that there. Oops. What did I do? Oh, I'm so bad. Okay, and let's just do, instead of that, just size. Oh, I meant to put it here, I think. I mean, it looks like it's good, but maybe it is. Bum, bum. Bum, bum, da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-dum-dum-dum. That sucks because it looks like it's working, but it's not. Yeah, it's getting clipped. It should be maybe half size. Bum, bum, bum. So what am I trying to do? I guess I draw like a quad that covers the whole screen. So how did this not remap my thing to not be clipped? Doesn't that give me something that is within X and size? So it goes like 0 all the way up to 50, 0 all the way up to 50. da, da, dum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, big planes. Come on, I just want to move this to the side. Let's just do it on the X so that I can tell. Let's just do like plus 10. Nothing. Unless I just can't tell. Let's do like plus 20. So I don't understand math, I guess. Because that looks to me like it's doing nothing. Unless it's moving everything. Is it literally moving everything? Let's do like plus. I can't do that. Let's do plus 30. I'll try to like notice a spot and see if the pixels are moving later. Okay. What can I notice? Okay, on the top left you have like this L. It has like only okay, anyway, it looks like it's there. Hey, welcome back. Now let's remove this 30 and see what it looks like. Can I notice anything different? Yes. Okay, so it really did move. So it moved everything. It moves everything to the right or to the left. Okay. So I guess that's not how you remap. I guess I'm supposed to do it outside. Yeah, this will be in Rashtal. Okay, I guess I'm really bad at math. Half size. Oops. Okay, I need to not remap inside the mod. That thing. Hey, it's doing something. Ooh. Okay, I went the wrong way. So what am I doing? I want to do my I want to do anti-aliasing on my grid. Okay, there we go. Now I have a grid. Woo. I'd like to study that someday for why it looks like this. Okay, so anyway, this is my grid now. Okay. What am I supposed to do with this? Yeah. Wait, let me check. Oh, yeah, we're killing it. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't really look better on my screen. Oh, yeah, I'm killing. Yeah, that's true. Just, I put my settings to something that's okay for programming, but not for fast moving stuff. Okay, let's go back to the circle. Hey, a grid made out of circle. Those are some nice circle, I think. Okay, I'm a bit too lazy for that. Yeah, it's a circle. Okay. Alright, what am I doing? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out the right way to anti-alias this. So this is in world scale. Yeah. And I want to convert it back into... I think I don't want to have that in world scale. I used to want to have it in world scale, but yeah, I don't know if I want to do that. That's how I usually do my grids. I draw using the graphics device viewport bounds. And then I give you like this fake view projection that only has projection. And I put the view inside of this transform. I think I could get rid of this text transform and do my math differently. Okay, let's try to break everything. So camera view. Okay. Text transform, let's get rid of that. Bam bam. Okay, now we don't have anything weird going on. Text can transform your... Oh, did I do that? No, okay. This gets... We're gone. Okay. Okay. Now all those values are wrong, but let's just look at it really fast. Also, it should be squished because I didn't fix the UV coordinate system. Wait, that looks way better than I thought. Wait, why does it work? True. Oh, never mind. I'm getting... Yeah, that's right. We don't want that. Right. I guess that's why I did that. Wait, but let's just get this like that. Rashtal music, nice. Okay, now we don't zoom at all. I guess I knew what I was doing, dang. I was hoping I didn't. Okay, that's okay though. Yeah. Okay, so how do I, because those are right now in world scale. I'd prefer if they weren't. So can I do a modification on this X and Y? Can I do like times? Flags are crazy. It's like I want to go from world to local space. What if I do instead of that? Oh, did I not expose that? Oh, I guess I didn't. What if I do this instead? Oh, now it doesn't move. Okay. So we're getting somewhere, maybe. Or it barely moves. I feel like I saw some flickers. Yes, slight flickers once in a while. Probably from rounding mistakes. Well, not flickers, but like, yeah. Pulsating. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Yeah, but that's not what I want. Oops. Okay, I see. So what I have to do is figure out how big my grid should be, essentially 50, and then divide it by size like that. That should give me like my 1 over. Okay, now that I have that, I can say, so this becomes a size of 1, right? So we should go from 0 to 1 instead of before, and then half size would become 0.5. And then 5 would become something like, I don't know, 0, 1, let's say. And then we'll put 0, 1 here. It's still not perfect, is it? Yep, seems better. Not bad-ish. I like that it's fuzzy. But it's not quite right. Maybe it is. Right? Is that what I expected? Ba-da-dum. Who knows? Alright. Let's grab my anti-alias thing. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. Alright. I'll copy this. You're gonna be color equals float 4 1 1 1. That's my color. I guess I don't need to do that, or just see. Oh, this is all wrong. Skipping some steps here. Not entirely sure, so I'll do this. Should I just do PS or should I just do 1? We'll try. Oopsies. Oh. I guess that's something. Let's do just nothing here. Because my coordinates are different than what I have here because of the way I set up everything. Somehow PS was doing something. Ooh. I got some circles sometimes. Hey, they look great though. Alright, what is going on? Don't need that. Well, kind of. Well, no, we don't. Yeah. AA size. Let's just make this be directly 4.0. What if I do 0.1? Possibly good. Okay, I'm a bit too lazy for that. Let's make that become 100. This here becomes less blurry. Let's do it the other way. You're gonna get 1000. This looks good. And here it looks negative good. Like it looks bad. Yeah. Maybe it doesn't look bad. Ba-da-da-dum. Yeah. Yeah, when you zoom. Yeah, yeah. AA. What if I give you just PS? Ooh. I should use that for something. Foop. Okay, but obviously not. Let's try the other way. What did you have? Let's do camera.world to screen scale. Hey, Finkelum, did I change my camera? Ooh. So it's obviously inverted. Dang. Hey, you. Yeah, exactly. That's right. So cool though, even though it doesn't do the right thing. And it's mapped in the world position. If I can, yeah, okay. But I don't want this blurriness. Okay, let's just play with the values. Try to understand what's going on. Let's undo that. Okay, let's do 0.1. Yeah. Okay, good, good. What about 0.1? Not bad, not bad. 0.1. Now this is blurry, and this is the opposite. Okay, I'm starting to understand. What about PS divided by size? Let's put you down here or something, or up here. Spread that out. Okay. And PS is screen to world. Let's try it. This looks good. This still looks good. This, does it still look good? I can't tell. Maybe it does. Okay, now you're gonna do that times, let's say, 10. So I increase the spread by, I think, 10 pixel or something. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Okay. As far as I can tell, it doesn't get blurrier or less blurry. I think that's good. Let's do 2. Yeah, that's true. It takes a while because I'm trying to do things. I think I got it. This looks good to me. And if we look at like the pixels, yeah, this look good. So it's like anti-aliased. Okay, now we have an issue. It's that we don't want the grid to become bigger. You see how those lines here, it's really small, here it's really big. So what does it mean? It means the size is not the size. No, it means this 0.1 is not correct. What if I give you just AA? It's not, maybe it's not accurate, but maybe it is. Bum, 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 bum. That works, I think. It never becomes bigger or smaller. Now we have a circle grid. Appears to be good. I mean, the AA thing is in the right coordinate system. So, wait. Well, no, not really. What is the size of this line? Oh, and let's just rewrite AA to be return D. D is what? Is smaller than 0. You're gonna return either 1 or 0. Let's just be nice. I forgot if I inverted it or not. Oops. Anyway, we'll see soon enough. Boom. I can do this because the compiler optimizes things out. Apparently I did it right. Sounds good. Seems good. By doing it right, if you look at this, you see how now this is a nice little, very smooth line? Well, this one isn't. Anyways. Yeah, so now we have this. The reason I want to do this is, well, why do I want to do this? Because this means something. What does it mean? Oh, I gotta put it down. There we go. This means 7 apparently. Or not. 5. Or not. Yeah, let's just go back to the box. Did I not run the... Wait, what is this? Oh! Right, never mind, I'm so bad. I gotta like now apply the same changes. So mod is 1.0 minus 0.5. What is this? 1.0, 0.5, and 5 would be AA. Now we'll know what's going on, maybe. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Hey, Big Jim. Oh, very good. So what is this? 8? What am I doing? 8. So this means 8. Let's zoom out. Is it still 8? It's still 8. Why does this mean 8? Fine. Oh, wait, one sec. What am I doing here for line size? 1 times screen to world. Can I just use line size? Line size is this. Bam. Yeah, PS is a constant. PS right now is what I pass in screen to world. Screen to world is like a float that gives you the length of something. What am I doing? Line size. So should I do line size divided by 1000? Let's try it. I can't write. Line size. Well, I should have not hard-coded that, but whatever. Whoa. That's nice. I should have measured it. Oh well. Is it squished? No, it's really 4x4. Is that what I pass in? I'm saying line size is... So this 1F means 4. Let's try to pass 2. Did anything change? Oh, it did. What happened here? Oh, it went to 8. Huh. So this is, I have to divide by 4. Hey, peace. I'm not entirely sure why, but I guess somehow there's a times 4 that it gets introduced into my math. So now you're 1F. Hey, now we have a 1 pixel line. Dang, that sucks. That's what I'm gonna solve really soon. Okay. So maybe my math is correct now. Or close to it. So instead of 2, I think I should put 4. Ooh. Hmm. This looks blurry. Or maybe it's not. but it is. Does this prove that my math is wrong, or does it prove, or is that expected? It's like 4-ish. It's crazy how one pixel makes it look blurry. Okay, what did I have earlier for the color? P.color. Oh, I was just returning the color. That is just P.color. Okay, I see. Let's try it. Sort of skipping a step because there's something weird going on, but maybe it's okay. Da-dum, da-da-dum. Possibly okay. Well, I should have saved it. Let's keep that. Okay, let's zoom in all the way. Screenshot that. Looks good. Zoom in out. Yeah, it does increase in size at some point. Oops. You know what? It looks inverted. That's what it looks like. It might be because this times that. Maybe I could get rid of this. What is grid size? Also, I don't see all my grids the same as before. This is PS anyway, so I could compute it. Grid size, smaller grid size. Grid size, oh. Right, I'm supposed to listen to that. That's why, okay, I see. Okay, before I change that, let's look at this really fast. So line size. let's drop that to 100. Just see again what happens now. Does this mess up everything? It doesn't look to mess up everything, huh? Okay, but I really want to do this different. So, okay, line size, let's hard code it for now. I want, let's say, 2 pixels. That's my line size. I should undo this, just to have really accurate lines. Wait a second. Divided by 4 divided by size. Maybe I don't need that. My math appears correct. If I don't divide by 4, I end up with more than just 2 pixels. Yeah, I wonder where this divide by 4 comes from. But I don't see anything obviously wrong. I have the same here. I have a 4 that comes in when I would like this to be like 1. And so this, why is it times 4? When this here is a divide by 4. Should this be divided by 4 too? Can I do like, let's say, I'm touching a bunch of variables at the same time. As far as I can tell, this is great. Yep. Okay. We enabled that. Oops, that one should be at times. Done. Now Now this is bad. I see like flickers. Just need to isolate, oops, wrong one. This. Then so for some reason this is the right value right there. But it's a bit too blurry for my liking. So let's do times 2. Now that's a good looking line. It looks pretty consistent. Ah. It doesn't seem to flicker. Okay. So size now will become just my grid size, which is something like 100 or whatever. So let's just do grid size. Whoa, there we go. We're getting somewhere right there. Okay, let's try 101. Let's try 1000. Okay, let's go back to 100. Let's put something and let's snap to the grid. Everything looks good. Okay, let's re-enable the rest. I should have tried to use this first, but whatever. Wow. So good. Okay. Let's use the grid size. You're getting down to just 1. Or rather 2F. I'll put it to 1 afterwards. Line size will be line size. Oops. There we go. Very cool. Okay. And now we're dropping that to 1. Let's see. Should I use both 1? Or, who knows? That's so cool. I thought I saw a bug for a sec, but I guess not. Maybe it's while I was zooming. Yeah. Wow. What happens if I do a value that is smaller than 1? Like, let's say 0.5. Because with aliasing, I can sort of do it, I think. Huh. Let's do it even smaller. What happens with like 0.1? Is there even a difference? Sort of. I mean, that's 2. It's not 1. Sort of confused about that. Let's add 2 zeros. Did I hard code the... No. Oh, half size is no longer used, right? No ideas. Okay. Is my music even playing on stream or is it just so low? Bum, bum, bum. I can't tell if my music is working. Wait. Oh, I paused it. Oops, my bad. There's no music on stream. Rip. So, so okay. Oops. Wait, how is that possible? Maybe it's for the best though. Oh, or it works. Maybe I just fixed it. Oh, it's just this music is low, so it doesn't seem like there's music. All right, I gotta be right back. It's about to rain and I got stuff to take care of. I should be back soon. Oh, okay, I'm back. I just thought of something. Oh, also half size I don't need. Can I get rid of that? Or should I, is it desirable to be there? I wonder if I can just get rid of all those divisions back, put the numbers back and have something that still works. I feel like I should be able to. Let's run this really fast. Look at take a screenshot. Maybe I should just clear all of this too. Let's get rid of everything. All right. Take a screenshot. That's what I have right now. It looks pretty good, I guess. And now here, remove this. Remove this. Remove this and this. One means size. I guess I already bring back half size equals size divided by 2. This will be half size. This is size. Half size. Like, why not? What is this? Half size. Is that it? I mean, I'd really like to get rid of a lot of the divisions if possible. So did this work? Oh, it works. Okay, awesome. Nice, so I got rid of a lot of divisions. Well, not really, but whatever. It works. This will not stay there, but whatever. I forget what I copied. Okay, let's copy the whole mod all the way to here. Whole mod all the way to here. Whoa, I broke it. This is so cool. A circle grid size. Grid. Well, just because I wanted to fool around. I'd really like to see the lines disappear if I do -10. Okay, perfect. Okay, at least I have that going for me. If I only have -1 though, they still show, right? And they're still 2 pixels. Oh, that looks good. Even though I don't really understand it. What does -1 mean in this context? I don't know, but I like the grid look. That's kind of cool. Let's do -1 here. Because this doesn't really map exactly to the pixel size. It maps like to a sort of... Let's just see how big this is. Oh, there we go. I get 2 still, but it's a lot lighter. Maybe I like it. It looks good. It's like just visible slightly. I think it looks better than before. Great stuff. Wait, that's wrong. Oh no, never mind, it's not wrong. Because it snaps to the bottom and it snaps to the top. Perfect. Awesome. I think I get rid of everything now. That's my new better code. Circle is DF, we don't need. Bum ba-da-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Camera, what is this? World to screen scale, I don't think this is required. Yeah, let's not add that. What about you? I now have access to this PS line size. Line size got simplified, that's good. What is PS used for? Only this, that's good. What if I put that onto 1.0 or 1.5? Is that, what does it look like? It's less visible. Maybe I like it actually. It looks so good actually. The next thing that I could do, well, not in this like code, but would be to change the color based on the distance between the main line and the smaller lines. Like the difference between grid size actually. Between this grid size and this smaller grid size. If I could like get a function like that, then this would look even better. Because you see how when I'm zooming in, some lines become suddenly darker. Bam, bam. No, it wouldn't be that. It would be the difference between smaller grid size and the next snapping point before it becomes this one. Okay, anyways, let's commit what I have. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. This looks so much better already. Let's try it like 1. Let's try 2. Or or 5? I don't see anything really bad. Bum ba da dum da da dum. It's so cool. Did I? Oh no, it's up here. Yeah, if I could like while get like a value between this like the next snapping point and the smallest snapping point, so that it fades into transparency, or it fades in towards 1. I don't know how I would code that. Or what are the values I should work with? What if I give you 1? Let's see what happens here. Dum, dum. Yeah, it's not the same. What about 0? Ta-dum, ta-dum. Yeah, once you've seen the -1, you can never go back. It's just like not there, barely there. Yeah, now this looks good. It's because there's transparency between the line and the background. Now that I pay a bit more attention, maybe it's not perfect. There's time where it's blurry. But maybe it's okay. What if I put it on 1 for both, but I make this be less intense? Color. I don't know. 5F. Is this better? Maybe that's good. It's somewhat magic numbers, but whatever. What's the value that determines this grid? Grid size. Adaptive grid. Min grid. I use this function. Because I think it's okay to snap to this for longer. Anyways, okay, I'll commit this. That was sort of a waste of time. I think I already checked all of this. Yeah. This is like so weird. Anyways. One last check. Line size. Here I do line size times that minus. Let's try that. What if I do minus, minus like that? Now it's gone. If I put you on 1, down. 2. Does it look better? Now it doesn't look like it's blurry. Maybe. Dum, da, dum, da, da, dum. I don't know if this is the right one. It did get rid of the divided. Let's try a higher number, like 4. I ended up with 8. You know, I could do that too. Oop. So I multiplied by 0.5 and I ended up with something that is smaller. What does that mean? So if I do the whole thing here, that looks like 4. That is 4. What if I give you 8? Ba-da-dum. Hmm, 12. Maybe my math just is wrong then on the line size. Dum. $32. So maybe I guess my divided by 4 was the right thing. Yeah. All of that to end up back here. Is this wrong? I can't. Oh man, I don't know anything. Bum bum bum. That's 8. If I have 2, that and if I have 1, whatever. That oh, I forgot to remove that. But maybe I undo this first. Oh, I just went right back to that. Okay. Zero, zero. I think this looked better. Yeah. Ta-da. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. So there's draw background here. Background. Infinite. UV transform, which is get UV transform. Let's do like minus 100. We're gonna be further away. Scale 100. So is this supposed to be minus scale? Bum, bum, ba-dum. That's quite cool. I think that looks better, even though it's not the same. This is like useless changes, but that's okay. Okay. So I think I did most of what I wanted to do on stream for today. Yeah. The big thing was to do my layer stuff with the right, with the ability to do logic. Here, yeah. Clean up. Do I clean this up now? Do I even know how? Yeah, well, with this code design, it's not clear how this could be made better. Yeah, so I think that's good enough. Today we're on Wednesday. It's likely that I'll stream again tomorrow, though I have things in the morning. But one thing that I'd like to do is work on my UI library and figure out an API for I guess layers. Think about how to do tooltips eventually, because I have like a basic idea. I'm thinking of doing a sort of system where you can ask the UI framework to move something to the top of the UI and essentially reordering everything. Let's see. Let's say you have like a panel, and then you have button 1, let's say button 2, and maybe I decide to do something like this tooltip. Okay, how would you do a menu? Something that covers things under. Let's call it a menu. And the menu might have, when you click on it, it opens up, it's a panel. Let's say you have this. Let's say your menu is open. And then you want to show a tooltip without closing the menu. Yeah, maybe my thing doesn't work then. Because the alternative is to have like the tooltips be somewhere else. And then when you hover, the button doesn't have to pop over the menu, only the tooltip. We'll see, maybe that's what I'll try to work on tomorrow. The problem is that I'd really like to avoid layers. Like this would be considered like layer, let's say 0. Layer 1 with something like the menu button, let's say, with maybe the elements here. So when you open a menu, it's obviously on top of 1 because it's the buttons rather, because it's in a different layer. Or maybe even the tooltips are in their own thing further down. This is sort of clean. Yeah, I'll have to think about it. I'd really like to have a system that would work where let's say this. Yeah, let's put those inside for now. Where if you want something to be drawn on top, inputs have to be consumed first and then rendering has to be done last. So like, let's say this one wants to be on, for now, let's just put it on top. So like a way to reorganize things dynamically at runtime. Things can like change. If this one wants to go on top, I'll have to think about it. Like I want something really flexible. And at least doing this sort of reordering doesn't require you to name stuff like layer 0. Like that's like something that has a name. Anyway, peace. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're not following, make sure to follow. Otherwise, join the Discord too. Peace.